What if your biggest regret could have been avoided with just 3 questions? No joke, 3 tiny questions. 10 seconds to ask, and they could save you 10 years of regret. Let's be honest. Most of us make decisions like we're ordering fast food. Quick, impulsive, in the moment. Yeah, that looks good. I'll take it. Only to realize later, we just bit into something we didn't even want. You've probably told yourself it's not that deep, right? But here's the truth. Those small, unfiltered choices, they stack. And one day, you wake up living a life you never planned for. We think gut instinct is enough, that as long as it feels right now, it must be right long term. Spoiler alert, feelings lie, especially when you're tired, or lonely, or just bored out of your damn mind. Ever bought something expensive on a rough day? Yeah, that wasn't self-care, so that was self-sabotage dressed up in dopamine. Here's the deal. Your brain is wired for short-term wins. It's survival mode, not success mode. That's why under pressure, we shrink time. We stop asking what happens next and just go with what feels good now. But clarity needs distance, and that's exactly what the 10-10-10 technique gives you. Here's how it works and why it actually works. You're stuck, confused, overwhelmed, maybe about a job, a person, or just whether to hit send on that text. Don't spiral. Just ask 3 questions. What happens if I do this more in 10 minutes? Will I feel relief, guilt, power in 10 months? Am I proud of this move or cleaning up its mess? And in 10 years, will this decision still matter? Or will I wish I had thought twice? This technique pulls you out of the emotional fog. It forces you to look at your future self, not just your current craving. And here's the beautiful part. It doesn't make you overthink. It actually makes the answer simpler. Because when you frame a decision through time, the truth usually gets loud, real loud. That angry message? It'll feel good in 10 minutes. Regrettable in 10 months. Cringy in 10 years. That business idea you're scared to pitch? Terrifying in 10 minutes. Risky in 10 months. Life-changing in 10 years. So here's the challenge. Start using 10-10-10 daily. Not just for big stuff. Use it for what you eat, what you say, what you let slide. Because you're not just building a day. You're building a decade. This is 1% progress. Because we believe real change starts right here. We're all about results, not just motivation. If you think the same way, hit subscribe.